Hello, my name is Cesar Hernandez, and I will be talking about my capstone project with my partner Teodoro and the struggles that we encountered while building this wonderful product that we've made. While coming up with an idea for this project, we decided we both wanted to build some type of furniture for the household or outside for the family or whatever, for any type of usage. Because what we decided to build was a chair that does flip into a bed. The reason we did that is because I have a smaller household, and I thought, well, having something like a futon is too big and takes too much space, but having a chair that flips into a twin-size bed for everybody would be nice and comfortable and doesn't take a lot of space. And our chair is something that we wanted to build to fit those qualities. So the first thing we wanted to do is buy all the materials and know what type of wood we were going to use. When we decided to build a chair, we decided to use oak wood, and oak wood is a very good wood for the outside, as we read and we studied what type of wood we wanted to use. Yes, our wood was a little heavier than normal or than other wood, but its purpose was to make sure that the chair was as sturdy as possible, and that was one thing that we wanted. It was a sturdy chair and bed to be able to hold somebody that is like a bigger size, basically. Not only is the oak wood sturdy, but it's also good for the outdoor weather, which is very nice for if someone wants to use it as a lounge chair just for the outside or under their porch for sun tanning or anything. So that's one reason we wanted to use oak wood. The build process started with popsicle sticks. We started to build a prototype at first, and our prototype was small. We do not have videos or pictures of it, which is very sad, but the prototype helped us lay out where we wanted to put our screws and basically where we were going to have. That was our whole plan, basically. And eventually the prototype did help us see our flaws of what our build was. For instance, we decided to move the screws from the outside of it on the chair to the inside, and we decided to move our screws due to how ugly we thought it was going to be on the outside, and we didn't want the wood to show the screws on the outside, and we thought it was more professional to keep it on the inside of the chair. Also, while coming up with the design of the chair, we had to figure out what we wanted our chair to look like, and we decided that we wanted to build an Astro chair. It's going to be a chair, and the back was going to have the Astros logo on it, showing, and it was going to be painted blue, orange, and Astros colors, basically to support Astros team because season wasn't the time. So we wanted something that we both liked, which was baseball, and we decided to build that. But due to coronavirus, we were never able to paint our chair because one, lack of funds was something that we dealt with during our build, but all our materials that we've bought were with our own money, and we didn't have anything really donated except tools that we used from the school and some nails, I think. Yeah.
So basically the way that we tried to construct this project is by dividing it into the top and the bottom layer. So the bottom layer, it would consist of the base itself, which consisted of 4 sides made of 2 by 8 inch wood. Now, as Caesar explained before, each side of each wood were combined by drilling screws on the inside parts diagonally. Of course, as you can see, all holes were pre-drilled before screwing any screws in. Now for the latch for the compartment, we had created it with 6 pieces of 1 by 4 inch wood and 2 pieces of 1 by 2 inch wood. Now, to keep the latch from falling in, we had created a barrier on both sides. Each side is consisted of 2 2x4s and 1 2x2. Finally, all that was needed to complete the hatch was 2 door hinges screwed on opposite ends, thus resulting in the opening and closing of the latch. Finally, we had created the bottom piece of the bottom layer with a big piece of 30 by 32 inch plywood, and thus that completes the compartment and the bottom layer. And finally, we have the top layer. Now, the process for the frame of the top layer is specifically almost the same as the bottom layer when consisting of 3 sides of 2x8" wood. Now, in completing the top layer, we had attached 6 more pieces of 1x4" wood. Only this time, it was screwed into the sides of the 2x8" wood. And thus that completes the top layer. And finally, all that's needed to complete the project is by combining both layers together. Now, the way that we made this possible is by doing the same thing as the latch. We get 2 door hinges, place each half on the front sides of the product, screw them in, and that completes the combination. Thus results to the ability of flipping the chair into a bed. Now, as Caesar said before, we were not able to complete all objectives that we wanted to accomplish into this project, such as the painting of the project, or the sanding of the project, or creating easier mobility. But still, I am also proud of what we have accomplished so far throughout these last 6 to 7 months. And for that, I hope that you are pleased with the final product.
I hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope you liked our chair and our project. Even though it was not finished to its complete, how we wanted it, how we envisioned it, we both are very proud of what we've made, and through our long journey, we've both picked up skills that we wouldn't have had if we didn't work on this project. So in a way, I really am proud of what we've built, and even though it wasn't to how we envisioned it, I'm proud of my work, and I'm sure Teddy is as well. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation, and stay safe during this pandemic, everyone.